This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. The Dräger PARAT 1200 is an extra small mouthpiece and nose clip filtering escape device equipped with a multigas ABEK filter that offers you 10 minutes of protection against a variety of toxic industrial gases and vapors. This compact lifesaver is approved to the only recognized standard for filtering industrial escape devices, DIN 58647-7. The following video will show you how to perform a periodic inspection and how to don the escape device correctly. Periodically, users should check the device to ensure it remains operational. Regularly check the anti-tamper seal of the device to ensure that it is intact. If this is not the case, the device must be replaced. Check the expiration date on the back side of the case. Ensure that the unit is in its service lifetime. If the date has passed, the device has expired and must be replaced. Holding the device in one hand, use the other hand to open the cover of the case. The anti-tamper seal breaks automatically. Remove the unit from the case. Remove the nose clip from its holder on the filter. Press the mouthpiece tabs together and insert the mouthpiece into your mouth, holding it in place with your teeth and your lips around it. Open the nose clip by pulling it apart and position it on your nose so that it closes your nostrils. Leave the contaminated area immediately.